Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yandan. Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu will be arriving in Nagaland today for a one-day visit. Vice President Naidu will visit IJAR Research Complex for Northeast region. He will also hold a meeting with the Governor, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, Chief Minister Nipirio, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Pradhan, and State Ministers at the Police Complex Jumukadima in Dimapur. Vice President will later virtually inaugurate the office building of Directorate of Information Technology and Communication Kohima, buildings of government high schools, and Minister's Residential Complex Kohima. Naidu is also scheduled to hold interaction with achievers. In view of the opposition from Dimapur-based civil society organizations to the proposed shifting of the Deputy Commissioner's office from its present location to the new complex at Jumukadima, Nagaland government has decided to withdraw the proposal. Minister PHET Jacob Zumomi has assured that the DC headquarters will be at Dimapur. Zumomi tweeted yesterday that he met with the civil society organizations of Dimapur district and discussed on the issues related to the district. He expressed gratitude to them for understanding the government. The minister assured the civil society organizations that the DC headquarters will be at Dimapur and that the matter is laid to rest. However, the organizations reiterated that until the state government responded and notified assurance in writing, the protest against shifting of the DC office will continue indefinitely. Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Bureau of India, the implementing agency of Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Aushadhi Yojana (PMBJP), has completed the target of opening 8,300 Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Aushadhi Kendras for the financial year 2021-22 before the end of last month. All the districts of the country have been covered under the Pradhan Mantri Bhartiya Aushadhi Yojana. Effective IT-enabled logistics and supply chain systems for ensuring real-time distribution of medicines at all outlets have also been introduced. In the wake of COVID-19 crisis, PMBJP has been rendering essential services to the nation. The stores remained functional during lockdown and maintained operations as part of their commitment to ensure uninterrupted availability of essential medicines. Union Minister for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh said the centre will set up 75 science, technology and innovation STI hubs in different parts of the country. These hubs will be exclusively for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and will not only promote scientific talent but also contribute to socio-economic development of these communities. After a high-level review meeting with senior officials of the Department of Science and Technology in New Delhi yesterday, the Union Minister said, in the last 2 years, 20 STI hubs have already been established, which will directly benefit 20,000 SC and ST population through various interventions. Skill India, with due support from Directorate General of Training DGT and National Skill Development Corporation, organized a day-long apprenticeship mela across the country yesterday in over 660 locations. Under the initiative, nearly 52,000 apprentices were hired. The event witnessed participation from more than 5,000 organizations operating in more than 30 sectors such as power, retail, telecom, electronics, automotive, and more. Additionally, country's aspiring youth received the opportunity to engage in select prospects from more than 500 trades, including poster welder, electrician, housekeeper, beautician, mechanic, and more. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800 345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.